What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we are revealing the brand new build. Now this build is going to be a little different than the ones that I've done in the past. It's not an Audi, got ya. We got a truck on our hands guys. This is going to be a work truck, every sense of the meaning. Work truck, work truck, work truck. This is not going to be perfect. It's not going to be an amazing build. I'm not going to make it extraordinary. This truck is going to have one job, and that's going to be to pick up parts for new builds and to get new builds as well. So if you guys are new here, hopefully you guys subscribe down below. Make sure you guys check out the other builds that I did, the A7, the S5. Hopefully you guys will also like, comment, let me know what you guys think about this stuff. What else can I do? And all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here, continuing to support me. Make sure you guys are following me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy, and also make sure that you guys have your post notifications on. That way you guys stay up to date on the builds and everything else that goes on this channel. Hey guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and today kind of sucks. Just bought a new build, was super excited about it, bought it sight unseen, so that was a problem. And from the pictures, it all looked great. Copart sold me a false bag of goods, I guess. Maybe it's my fault for not going to check it out, but they said front end damage. Turns out that there is undercarriage damage as well, and a run and drive does actually not run and drive. So, quick backstory, you guys remember from my S5 build, the shipping blunder that I had, which is the reason why I bought this truck in the first place, so that I never have to deal with the shipping company again. So, I ordered shipping on this vehicle. First guy shows up, calls me from the yard apparently, and says that he is not going to actually deliver the vehicle. So he left the yard, I don't know, maybe something came up, but he left, didn't pick up the vehicle. So I have to find another shipping company. They actually literally get it loaded onto their trailer, call me up and say that they have no way of actually getting it off the trailer because the vehicle won't start, and apparently because of the front end suspension and the tie rods being broken. So they can't steer it off. So where we are right now is I need to pay triple what I would have been paying in order for the first shipping company to actually pick up the vehicle. And now I need to have a tow truck, a flatbed, go over there and basically just get it on there, lift it up, and maybe we'll be able to winch it off or something. I'm gonna figure that out tomorrow, today for you guys, because you guys are gonna see all this all together right now. But stressful beyond belief. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm bringing it over to a shop right now because I don't have a place to store it, and right now is just not a great time. So the reason why it's going to a shop right now is because I am in the process of moving. I'm getting out of my lovely condo, and I'm gonna be going to a place with a little more space, but we don't close on it until another 2 weeks, so I need to bring it to a shop right now. We're just gonna place it in the yard, try to figure out the front end suspension there, so you guys might see a little bit different scenery when I start working on this, in order to just get it so that I can just turn the wheels. That way when I move into my new house, I will be able to just get it back on a flatbed, tow it, and be able to move it up and down the driveway. That way I can get the steering and suspension and all that work done at my leisure. So now, assuming that nothing else is wrong with this, spoiler alert, there is. It looks like the exhaust pipe is hanging off. Show you guys that picture real quick. But the rest of this should be pretty easy. I mean, I know I need to do the front end suspension and all that stuff, so I'm probably gonna order that all up right now and just be done with. And I'm hoping that it'll just be a nice, easy build, guys. I'm super excited about this truck. It's going to make it that much nicer and that much better for me once I actually have it done. And it's just gonna be something that I'm going to thoroughly enjoy because I'm gonna live that trucker life a little bit. You know, I'm not a big truck guy. Don't really like them too much. I'm more of a sports car, sedan type of person. Get me as low to the ground as possible. But this truck is gonna serve a purpose beyond belief. I'm gonna be continuing on with this channel, obviously, and so that I don't ever need to deal with another shipping company in my life. I'm gonna be driving this car all over America. So I'm gonna take out the back seat in that crew cab, and I'm gonna put like a mattress or something down. I'm gonna make this car really nice. I'm gonna enjoy it, and we're just gonna drive it all over the place. We're gonna throw some hoods, whatever we gotta do to pick up parts, all that stuff. So this car is gonna be super functional. Right now I am stressed beyond belief. I don't know if it's resonating right now. I'm kind of at that moment where you just have to laugh it off, because otherwise I'm gonna cry. So hopefully tomorrow I get this car off of the trailer, off of the truck, and just basically start dealing with the suspension that way. All right guys, just got to the Copart lot right now, so I just went inside, got in line, and we're going to be waiting for the vehicle. So as soon as it comes out, we'll be showing you guys it. They said don't, just don't. We need to right now.
Alright, I'm going to pull out of their yard. Right back. What's the best spot for it? Big thing of soap in here. Somebody used this straw and
should have offered. Alright guys, so we just got the car here and battery's completely dead. We just threw a jump box on, so it looks like we're getting power already, so that's good. We do have a battery in the car if we need to change it out, but I'm going to let it sit for a minute, maybe try to give it a start. I'm going to check the oil real quick, make sure that that's good, and then we'll just give it a start. If it turns over, great. Then we'll just see what we got. Alright. So we have power. Now we'll just give it a stop. No. Completely dead. Yeah. So I definitely need That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See where I'm going with this new build. This is a struggle getting this thing off of the truck. Oh my god, it was a pain in the butt, but we're here, we're ready for it. We're gonna be working in the field for a little bit. We'll go into that a little bit more in the next episode, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, interact with me, let me know what you guys think about this stuff. Follow me on all the socials. Pick up some merch as well, help support the channel. Got a link down below. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I hope that you guys will be inspired by this and just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.